Hey guys, welcome back. So the next plugin we are looking at today is Vivian Health, and to get started with this, go to all, and in page 3 you should see Vivian plugin. So this one is basically the first step to finding your healthcare job. So at a higher level you can just assume this is something like LinkedIn. So it currently only has job listings in United States. I don't think it works outside. So let's look at what we can do with this, and this can be used by both. This one is mostly for job seekers. If you are an employer, you have to go to their website and post jobs. So I would not be covering the employer part. This one is purely from the job seekers point of view. So what can you do with this one? So let's get started with this. So here's what this can do. We'll discuss what Vivian Health ChatGPT plugin is. We already looked at the install plugin, and we are also going to see some example prompts. So basically Vivian Health ChatGPT plugin is a third-party application that allows GPT model to interact with Vivian Health API. Is a healthcare staffing platform that connects job seeker with healthcare employers. So with ChatGPT plugin can take their first step in finding the next healthcare job, can assist in searching jobs for healthcare, match with their skills and preferences. It can also provide with the information about job requirements, salary ranges, and other relevant skills. So Vivian Health ChatGPT plugin can help job seekers create a personalized profile on the Vivian Health platform, which can increase the chances of getting hired. The plugin can also provide important tips, advice on how to improve their cover letter, resume, and interview skills. So it's a useful tool for job seekers who are looking for healthcare jobs. It can also help them find job opportunities that match their skills and preferences and provide them with necessary information on the job search. So these are the prompts we are going to look into. So let's copy the first prompt. See if this is able to generate that. So you should have known the concept of travel nurses. So if not, let's look at it. So this is what it is. So as you can see in the query, we are saying the location where the travel nurse would be traveling and what's the wage they are looking for as a minimum base threshold. So yeah, it's listing us the jobs, the shifts, and the contract length and the requirements for the job. And if you like it, just go click on it. You are eligible to apply for this job. So that's the cool part about it. I think it's at a higher level a job search tool for healthcare sector, similar to what you can do in LinkedIn. So let's come back to our next prompt here. So let's assume you are interested in position as a physical therapist in New York City, and your expected salary is $80,000. And again, it could be more or less. I'm not very familiar with the wages in healthcare sector. So just for the purpose of explaining, I've taken a rough range. So so if it's too low or too high, or if it's not right, so please forgive me for those numbers. I've just taken those numbers for the purpose of explaining this. Okay, so it was not able to find that use case. Okay, so I'm open for locum jobs as general practitioner. I'm flexible with the location, but I would like to earn at least $150 per hour. Let's see if this prompt would work. Yeah, if that job listing is not there, basically this is what you would get. It's not able to find the result. So you should get some message like this. If it's able to find it, it will list the positions like what we have seen here. Okay, I think let's move on to the next one. Okay, so let's assume this one. So these are the 4 prompts I wanted to demo. But again, if you are in the healthcare field, there are many other terms, so it would be impossible for me to know all the terms. So okay, so it's not there. But let me ask Texas maybe. So it's not in Chicago. So let me ask Austin. And maybe 2500 is too high for Austin. So let me ask 1500. So we should be able to find something here. Yeah, these wages are without knowing the right number, we might not be able to find it. So I don't know the exact number, but the idea here is let me show you the example here, how their plugin would work. So I'll just copy paste this into a notepad. Just give me 1 minute. So this is how their API would work. So for any query, this is your query. The filters here is for periodicities, it's travel, and location is which are the location you are interested in. So the specialities is med search here. If it is different, you can add it, and pay is whatever you are asking, and the period. So if you want more of it, it's listed in the developer website. You can always read through for additional information. But since the users here will just be the consumers, so what we can do here is give me examples of using Vivian Health Plugin for ENT specialist, right? So let's see if it's able to give me that. Yeah, I asked the general one. It gives us examples for the general Vivian plugin examples, but I'm trying to see if it would also give us examples for specialized specialities we list, and probably wages are something you can play around with it, because I have no idea on the wages for the healthcare sector. Okay, so yeah, it gave us the example for, it will give you an example for this. Cool. So that's the idea it is. So basically you guys know how your query is translated internally, and I hope this gives you a good idea on using the Vivian plugin. I hope this helps. Vivian Health Plugin. Thank you for joining.